Cap 26 here. Just tips, pairs, and hobbies. This model put together. We gotta take this support stuff out right here. Fully. It's all support from the printer. Okay, it's just cape. Get some glue out here. That's right there. Glue in here. Like that. Okay, switch it around. There we go. It was backwards. You could tell it was backwards because of leaving spaces. Okay. That. Put some glue in this. One of the boots we broke, so we gotta fix it. Okay, so let's peel this off here. Put it together. This is Well Done number 16 glue, if you're wondering what it is. Okay. Took quite a while to print. Really did. The gape took 6 hours to print the gape. This is his emblem. I don't think I'm even gonna paint it. I have to look and see how to paint it, maybe. I don't know. This is right hand. And the white parts I'm going to have to paint. Flesh tones, no doubt. Okay? So, try to use, get like red, white, black filament. I wonder why this is not fitting. There we go. Tight fit on that one. Some of these parts I don't know where they're going to go. Basically. Now this is his head. Part of his head. Okay, that goes together like that. That's just on top of the cape. Some of these little parts, I don't know. I don't know where they go. Some of these little parts that came out in the print. Oh, this is maybe his... Oh yeah, this is his part of his belt, which I could probably just paint in. The belt hooks. I'm going to paint those in. Let's see what this is. That's scrap. That's scrap. Oh, these are parts that go in between the S. Right here. That goes right there. Goes right there. So let's see if we can do that. So let's see. That goes. Goes in there like that. Oh no, this piece goes in there. I picked that out. This goes like that. Goes in there like that, and then it has to be painted yellow. I'm using my fingernails to put these parts in. This one's tough. Let's see. I need like a hammer. Get this in. There we go. And that piece, there's a piece down here. Little pieces, little inserts, you know, and they're going like a puzzle a certain way. Say that one went in there. And then we got see, do we have any left here? No. Oops. Okay, a little piece here. Let's see. I had regular tweezers here. Here they are. I'm surprised that something this small is printed like this. You know. Where's that hammer? Okay. Trick is the hammer. Then you got a little one right here. I mean, hardly. I mean, it printed with a 4mm nozzle, no doubt. Okay. And that goes in here. There we go. You know what? That one, afterwards, I'm going to put a little drop of glue in each so they don't fall out. Okay, so we got some stuffed crud here. Let's see if we can get rid of that. Glue goes in there. That goes in there like that. You always do the cape last on this model. That's what they told me. The instructions, I read the instructions. You'll see them there too. The cape is last. Okay, because the back tapes, it stands up, helps it stand up. And let's wrap this up. Let's get some of this off here. Put a little dot of glue on there. There he is. There's Superman. He's all done. Yeah, fun build, let me tell you. Thanks for watching. Please hype the video, very important. It's free to do so. And please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And this is on Maker World. It's not my model, but it's on Maker World. And it's Superman, no AMS. Okay, and he's standing with the cape like that. Check them out. See if you want to print them. Bye for now.